Hi, welcome back to Superior Self with KJ Landis. Today I'd like to talk about service. Any kind of service. The kind of service that allows us to be happy. I'm a server at the Hilton Hotel in San Francisco. I have been there 21 years. Before that, I was serving all over the world in different restaurants and cafes. Also, while traveling the world and modeling. To me, service means offering others something that you want to share in an unconditional manner. You're not expecting anything back. But I find that once you give service, which is a form of giving love, it's exponential and you can't help but receive love back. So another example of service for me is I teach Pilates class every Sunday, and I really enjoy making a beautiful playlist, and I enjoy learning new exercises from the classic mat Pilates style in order to teach others. I give 110% because I want people to challenge themselves and grow and do something they've never done before. Service. I serve them, and they in turn, I get hugs and kisses after class. I get moments of spontaneous joy and joking and laughing, and I get the satisfaction of knowing that people are coming because they want to do something good for themselves. And that in turn is a sort of love. Love that is exponential. When you give it away, it's the only thing that doesn't apply to mathematics. The more love you give, the more love you have. Service, volunteering at a church or a synagogue or a homeless shelter, or cleaning up for a neighbor, or helping someone who is elderly or disabled go about their daily duties. How about opening the door for somebody? That's service. How about putting a quarter in somebody else's meter? That's service. What sorts of things can you do to give service that will help you be happier? You don't do it to be happy, it's just going to happen. I know it. I'm living it. I hope that you have a blessed and beautiful day. Please join me at www.superiorselfwithkjlandis.com. Cheers. Have a great day. See you next time.